Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today we're diving into a topic that many overlook, the proper deletion of apps from our devices. It's common to install new applications frequently, while old ones fall by the wayside. However, deleting apps the wrong way can leave behind unnecessary clutter, and I'm here to guide you through the correct method of app removal that keeps your smartphone running smoothly. Often, when we decide to uninstall an app, the process is as simple as pressing and holding the icon, then selecting uninstall. Yet what many users don't realize is that this method does not clear all associated data. Each app generates a database stored within your file manager to allow quick access during use. When you bypass this step, remnants of the app's data linger on your smartphone, taking up valuable space and potentially slowing performance. So, how do you effectively remove an app to ensure its database is eliminated? Start by opening your file manager. Here you'll uncover various folders that hold the data from the apps you've used. For instance, if you navigate to the Downloads folder, you'll notice specific entries corresponding to different applications. If you don't conduct regular cleanups and properly delete apps, these remnants can pile up, creating clutter that can interfere with your device's efficiency. Let's walk through the right deletion process. When you identify an app you wish to remove, press and hold its icon, but resist from hitting uninstall just yet. That's the common mistake. Instead, look for the option to access more details, usually represented by a little information circle. Tap into Storage Settings, and here you'll find the option to clear data. This crucial step is where you'll delete all collected files, settings, and databases associated with the app. After confirming this, only then do you go back and hit uninstall to completely erase the application from your smartphone. By following this approach, not only do we eradicate the app, but we also ensure that all accumulated data, which previously bogged down our device, is also disposed of. Now, your smartphone will function more efficiently, free from unnecessary junk files that can hinder performance. I encourage you to adopt this method for app deletion going forward, as a clean phone equates to better speed and more storage space. So, have you been aware of this deletion method before? If you hadn't, now you do. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips on smartphone usage. Until next time, take care of your device. Peace out.